Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Plus. How are you my dear friends and my dear subscribers? We are sharing the best short hairstyles for women over 50 with thin hair. These styles are designed to add volume, enhance your features and make you feel fabulous at any age. Let's dive in. Thin hair can be a challenge, but with the right haircut, you can achieve a fuller, more youthful look. Short hairstyles are perfect for adding volume and texture, making your hair appear thicker and healthier. And the question is, why choose short hairstyles for thin hair? Here are a few reasons. Short haircuts can create the illusion of thicker hair. Short hair is easier to manage and style. Short styles can give you a contemporary, youthful appearance. Let's explore some of the best short hairstyle for women over 50 with thin hair. Texture bob. The texture bob is a fantastic choice for thin hair. The layer adds volume and movement, making your hair look fuller. Adding some highlights can enhance the features and give a sun-kissed effect. Number 2. Pixie cut with side swept bangs. A pixie cut with side swept bangs is perfect for creating volume at the crown. The bangs add a soft feminine touch and can help frame your face beautifully. Layered bob. The layered bob is a versatile style that works well for thin hair. The layers add depth and dimension, while the length provides enough weight to prevent your hair from looking too flat. Number 4. Asymmetrical bob. An asymmetrical bob is a trendy option that adds a modern twist to your look. The uneven lengths create an illusion of volume and movement, making your hair appear thicker. Number 5. Shaggy cut. The shaggy cut is all about layers and texture. This style is great for adding volume and a playful, youthful vibe to your look. It's easy to style and maintain, making it perfect for busy lifestyles. So, my dear friends, here are some styling tips to keep your short hair looking its best. Use volumizing products, shampoos, conditioner, and styling products designed to add volume. Blow dry upside down. This technique can help lift the roots and add volume. Avoid heavy products. Steer clear of heavy creams and oils that can weigh your hair down. Regular trims. Keep your hair looking fresh with regular trims every 4 to 6 weeks. I hope you like my video, so friends, please like my video and also subscribe my YouTube channel and share my video with your friends and your family, because everyone need styling. Sharing your video will help them too and you will help me. Thank you for watching. We hope you found inspiration in these short hairstyle for thin hair. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more beauty tips and trends. See you in the next video.